Newbie, today I'm going to teach you how to make patients hate booking with you. Fortunately, most of you are already halfway there. Step 1. Never automate scheduling. Your front desk needs those 50 extra calls a day. After all, who else is going to check a calendar and read available slots out loud? Step 2. After-hours scheduling? That's cute. Tell them you believe in healthy boundaries. Voicemail has been carrying this industry for decades. Why stop now? Step 3. Never let patients see your availability. Let your staff describe the calendar. It's more interactive. Change book appointment to request appointment. Why confirm it once when you can discuss it twice? Bonus tip. Need to reschedule or cancel? Call. Need a different provider? Call. Need literally anything? Call. And if you miss their call? Excellent. Now everyone gets to pretend it'll work itself out. Perfect. You've successfully made booking an appointment harder than booking a vacation. Your competitors appreciate the referral. I'll see you in the next one, champ.